Hi folks, Josh here with Smart Start Websites, giving you a quick tutorial on how to download and get started with KeePass. This is a simple open source program. It'll make your life easier. The information we've put together in our KeePass database that we'll be transferring to you is packed with loads of information, little bits of education, and simple ways to manage and keep track of all your online activities and things related to your website. So that said, let's get into this a little bit. First thing you're going to need to do is go to keepass.info. Next thing will be find the downloads link on the left sidebar and click that. Then you'll want to click the KeePass Classic Edition 1.1x, whatever the current version is, and proceed with running the installer. Sometimes this is going to open automatically depending on what browser you're using. Other times you'll have to find it in a downloads folder and click it to run it there. So moving on to next, a couple points to remember. Apple users, you will want to use KeePass X. We will point that out. Don't add personal data to the database we've created. This will be once you've got started using this a little bit and gotten familiar. But the important thing is not to put any of your own personal information into the database we've created. The better thing to do is to create your own database and import our database. There'll be some instruction on that and some places to find those tips in our additional video using KeePass, which you can also find in our YouTube channel. So all that being said, let's get started. And first step was to go to www. Actually, we don't even need that. Just keepass.info. That'll take us right there. And over here on the left is the downloads link. And right here at the top is the KeePass 1.19 for Windows. Down here is KeePass X. You can see it right there. That's for Apple users. You have to have the Apple operating system 10.4 or higher though. This is a different version that allows a little more flexibility in where the software runs. We use this version. You'll be fully compatible if you use the Classic Edition. There's no real difference in functionality, so this is fine for everybody. And so we click that. You'll be redirected to the download page. You do not have to fill out any forms or do anything on this page. It should just automatically start. Internet Explorer is always trying to protect us, so up here we have to click this and click the download file. And again, you don't have to fill out this form. Just wait. There you go. But again, if you're not using Internet Explorer, if you're using Firefox or Chrome, you may have to check your downloads folder. That should be either in your computer or in your documents. And you may have to find the KeePass setup.exe and click that in that folder. So it just depends on which browser you're using. So we're going to click Run. It's a small program. It runs quickly, downloads quickly. And yes, we want this to make changes. English, good. Just follow the process. Next. You have to accept the agreement. We don't want a quick launch icon, but we will have a desktop icon. I don't mind those. And leave this one checked, of course. The KDB file extension is the one that's most important. So leave that alone and install. And that's pretty much it, folks. Finish. And if we go look at there it is. There's KeePass. And I already have a database set up on this computer, so I'm just going to type in my password there, and there we are. That's now we're into our KeePass database. For more on using this area, check out our additional video. And getting back to the last part of our slideshow, as always, for great websites, service, and a ton of common sense that you don't always find from people in the tech industry, come visit us at smartstartwebsites.com. Don't forget the dash in between there, or give us a call at 888-371-1461. We don't hide from phone calls. We're always willing to have a conversation. We're based right here in the US, and we'll help you make some good decisions. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. Look for more on our YouTube channel, and we'll catch you next time.